Hi, I'm Zach Wilner, a Senior Partner Solutions Architect at Amazon Web Services. Here we built a fully functional Adobe Premiere Pro plugin using Curo's spec-driven development. We started with requirements and a design document, and Curo generated a complete UXP panel: React, TypeScript, authentication against Amazon Cognito, asset browsing through a Media Lake API, and direct file import into Premiere's timeline. The editor opens Premiere Pro, and the plugin is right there. A native panel where they can search, filter by media type, preview video and audio, and import assets stored in Amazon S3 directly into their project. Multi-select, infinite scroll, and local caching make it feel seamless. With Lucid Link Connect, native objects from S3 are streamed and appear as local files instantly, no download required. Without it, the plugin downloads via pre-signed URLs with real-time progress tracking. From spec to working plugin without writing a line of code. That's spec-driven development with Curo.